Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is the Somerset Patriots versus the Lancaster Barnstormers from May 12th, 2018. This game was originally supposed to be a doubleheader. First game starting around 6, second game starting around 8:30. But unfortunately, rain came literally right as soon as we pulled into the parking lot. Started raining, stopped for a little bit, and then they had another rain delay. Well, first off, the original start time got delayed to about 6:45, and then half an inning later, rain started again, and then the first game didn't start till 8:30. So that at that point is when they made the decision to cancel the second game, or probably postpone it rather. And I don't know when they're playing that. They didn't play it the next day because they just didn't want to play Mother's Day, which is actually understandable. But yeah, I don't know when that game is being made up. So they did end up only doing one game, and since it was already started, it was still a 7-inning game, so it wasn't that long of a night. But yeah, it was the longest rain delay I've sat through. But anyway, yeah. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you all later.
Next, we have a Robert Wood Johnson, Somerset Employee All-Star, Safety Catch Employee, and Clinical Nutrition Manager, Teresa Breeden. And now we have some very special birthdays celebrating his 9th birthday, Jonathan Blyvis. Also celebrating his 9th birthday, Jordan Rudolph. Celebrating his birthday, Rowan Bott. Another birthday boy, Gabe Bielik. And our last birthday boy, celebrating his 11th birthday, is Noah Figueroa. All right, thank you and happy birthday. How about a big round of applause for all of today's ceremonial first pitches brought?
Yeah, and they'll give you season tickets or whatever if you can host a player or two.
Yeah. But even then, think about that.
Frank Iorilli.
So you can actually
and around third base,
get them
Matt
moving,
Chris.
doing stupid single action.
Ladies and gentlemen, on the first base side of the ballpark, with tonight's rendition of God Bless America, please welcome the New Brunswick Public Schools Youth Chorus. Ladies and gentlemen, we ask that you please remain standing. And at this time, we ask that you do remember to remove your caps to honor America with the singing of our national anthem, Wilson Elementary School.
Who's
had a few adventures over.
For the man's for dad.
Yeah.
Like you have to travel with them. You have to abide by their schedule.
Like if you wanted to work with the Bills.
Yeah.
It's all. Hey, it was all good intentions.
There goes the target. Yep. As to when the game will continue, please come over to the concourse.
They're going to put the start back on rating.
Our team score.
Yeah, so if you ever want the rain delay game, you want row B or whatever, but over there, there's no overhang.
We even got that.
Right. Lineup changes, something going on.
For number 2, Blake Gillen.
Got it. That'll run.
For Lancaster, pinch running for Wendrick, number 21, Traylon Robinson.
Fancy that little stall there, man. That was cute.
This Patriot pitching change brought to you by Providence Bank. Now pitching for the Patriots, number 16, Logan Kenzie.
Shit. No. Oh, foul. Was it? I thought it was foul off the bat. Go Torgo.
It's a dream of fantasy dreaming, so you can't see.
Second baseman, Rico Noel.
That's it.
Ladies and gentlemen, your final score, the Barnstormers 2, the Patriots 1. Once again, the Patriots do thank you for your patience and understanding throughout this evening's rain delays. And we remind you that you can head up to the ticket office and exchange your tickets for any future Patriot home game, including the rescheduled.
Hey guys, welcome back to the final segment where I show off everything that I got. Really this is it. I guess this is printed out, but I guess if you want to count the box score, but that's not really something from the game. That's just printed out, like I said. And unlike what I have been doing, weird hair. Unlike what I have been doing, I'm not going to do any separate videos because both of these items are things that I have reviewed separately before. Obviously the 2018 version of the ticket, and just to reiterate, it does say free because we have flex tickets, so basically just exchange flex tickets for an actual ticket, and then it obviously comes up as free because you're already paying for it. And this ball, in the seams, it's still a little bit damp. This came from a Craig Massey foul ball in the bottom of the 6th inning. It bounced off of the roof, which was still really wet because you could see water splash everywhere when it hits the roof, like every time it did. And then it landed several rows behind me, but it was so empty that I could easily get there. And there were like a group of people that were going all around the stadium. Probably got at least 10 balls each that night. And this one, I didn't really go after any of them, except this one was in my section. So therefore, I feel entitled that this one is mine. I don't really go after a lot of balls that aggressively anymore. Especially if I already have it. Like this, I have tons of Atlantic League balls, but like I said, this was close to me, so I felt entitled to at least getting one because it was that close to me. As you can see, that's where it was hit. You can kind of see it breaking open right there too, now that I mention it. But anyway, as I was going up to it, I was just casually walking up there because I didn't think anyone else would go there. But of course, the 3, 4, 5 people that were also, well, not also, they were the people that were just running around getting balls left and right. They at least one of them, I heard footsteps right behind me, so I started having to run up there. Luckily, I did get it before anyone else came up there, but like, yeah, I at least wanted one, especially if it was in my section, which technically wasn't my section. We were in 214 down the third base line, and because there's no one there, just move behind home plate, because why not? Better shots and stuff. Anyway, I've been talking a little longer than I expect. Like I said, it's still a little bit moist in the seams here, which is kind of cool. They did go back to the regular Atlantic League logo for this season, no longer 20th season. So I noticed that their normal logo on the ball is actually a little bit smaller than their 20th year edition. The logo is a little bit bigger on the baseball, but still cool either way. But yeah, other than that, this is all the stuff that I got. And yeah, other than that, thanks for watching.